Foundation, our dream, their rights. Dream School Foundation is an Indian non-governmental organization working to make the right to quality education, overall development and a happy childhood a reality for the children in and around Bangalore, the IT capital of India.
I'm Sabu, one of the founding directors of Dream School Foundation. And the genesis of the Dream School Foundation happened because like-minded people like me joined together to create an organization that worked towards quality education for Indian children. We at DSF connect the schools, the communities, the parent and the corporate and the civil societies together.
Why Dream School Foundation? Universalization of elementary education and subsequent efforts by the government, NGOs, bilateral agencies and all other stakeholders have brought notable success in bringing children to schools. There are over 160,000 schools in the country, mostly controlled by the government, facing a plethora of quality and equity issues. Only 53.4% of the children in Standard 5 can read a Standard 2 level text. About 52% of the children in Standard 5 cannot perform basic arithmetic operations. Thousands of teacher vacancies need to be filled in our schools. 37% of schools have usable toilets for girl children. 25% of India's population is still illiterate. Only 15% of Indian students reach high school and just 7% graduate. Only 47 out of 100 children enrolled in Class 1 eventually reach Class 8, putting the dropout rate at a staggering 52.79%. So bringing children to the school is only part of the battle, whereas ensuring continuity of their education will win us the war. We at Dream School address the quality and equity issues plaguing government schools through our Holistic School Development Program. As the word holistic suggests, the program looks at the school in an all-encompassing manner by involving the various stakeholders of the school through a systematic approach for better school management and development.
After trying out various options, we decided to focus our attention on the improvement of government schools. After volunteering for some years, we evolved the Holistic School Development Program for the government schools. The Holistic School Development Program now reaches to various schools across Bangalore and it has touched the lives of thousands of children.
Hi, I am Ishrat Sultana, Vice Principal, Government High School, JC Nagar. So this school with 20% SSLC board exam results, with the help of the Dream School Foundation, I have been able to reach up to the level of 94% in March 2011. This year in March 2012, we are expecting 100% result by the quality improvement of the students.
As part of the program, focus group meetings and alignment workshops are held with the stakeholders to solicit participation and responsibility of all the players associated with the school. The program components involve infrastructure and resource provisions, learning interventions facilitated by our trained facilitators and volunteers, and capacity building of the school teachers and the parent community. In the long term, these interventions could prove to be the most effective means of driving change in the working of government schools across our country. Our interventions are integrated in nature and implementation. The model of DSF is replicable, sustainable, and fully supports the mission of ensuring equity and quality in education for Indian children.